Concerned about the fine lines and wrinkles on your face, I have got a product for you. I have the Nira Precision Laser, and I've just got my hands on the Nira Pro Laser. There's a difference between the two, but essentially the same. If you've been dying to get your hands on one of these fabulous products, there is a Black Friday sale that has gone live site-wide. You can get to that by using the link down below in the description part of this video, and you can get substantial savings on this product for yourself or for Christmas. Before I say any more, I'm going to tell you what this laser does and why you need to have it in your life. So as we get older, we start to lose collagen in our face, get the marionette lines, the nasolabial folds, the crow's feet, all the things, ladies, that we don't want. Go to the med spa and get a procedure like this done. It's going to cost you thousands of dollars. You're going to have to go several times. You have to tip. You can do the Nira laser procedure at home in the comfort of your house when you want on your terms. Now, the people at Nira say this is only a 2-minute-a-day process. Use this consistently, and you're definitely going to see some results. Let me explain the difference between the Precision. The Precision has been out and the Pro just came out. You can see the different heads on each of these lasers. Now, also, before I get started, the Nira laser is the first FDA-approved at-home non-ablative laser. That's a mouthful, but that's some exciting stuff. So the FDA has approved this for safety. Any type of skin can use this. So as I mentioned, the heads are different. Now, there's advantages and disadvantages to this. Of course, with the larger head, you're going to cover more space in a quicker amount of time, obviously. However, if you want to get in here to the little bunny lines, this isn't going to fit, even if you've got a really large face and a small nose. So you're going to need the Precision head to really get in there. And if you're also looking at tightening the upper eyelids, you don't want to go below your orbital bone. This is extremely handy to have to help get into these tiny little areas for a more precision hit. Now, with the Precision, I'll turn it on for you. You have to fire it each time. Listen. With the Pro, you don't have to do that. I'm going to turn it down a notch because I'm not on that high of a level yet. I just got my hands on this Pro, otherwise I'd show you a before and after. But listen, once it makes contact with the skin, it's going to fire. Then all you have to do, you can't slide it. It doesn't work like that. You have to pick it up and move it, but you don't have to press a button each time. You hear that? Now, the other great thing about the Pro is that you can treat the backs of your hands, which, ladies, how many times have you looked at an older woman and thought, oh, she took care of her face, but the backs of her hands are really aging? It's exciting to start treating the backs of my hands and do a comparison from start to finish, because I have really neglected the backs of my hands over the years, and it is really showing. This is also going to help you get all the way down your neck and across your forehead in a quicker amount of time. Now, you can do this or this twice a day if you want to really amp up your results for a quicker result. You don't have to. It's just going to take a little bit longer to get the desired result. So I'm doing this twice a day because, of course, I want quick results. We're all results-oriented people. I'm going to hurry up and use this twice a day, and then I'm going to come back and show you before and afters. I have had really excellent results with the Nira Precision that I got my hands on about a year ago. So there's an excellent sale going on. It's the Black Friday sale, and it's already live. Click the link in my bio, then use my code, and you can get substantial savings. If you have any questions at all about the Nira laser, how to use it, just feel free to drop them down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you.